doing just a random video of how to make, like, add between video to Shotcut, which is right here. So how to add cut. So this is what I'm showing you guys this tutorial. So close this window here. Now forget about this bit, you already have a new project. So what you want to first off, what you want to do is you want to insert a video track, and so click on there and then insert a video track, and you'll have it there. Now you drag it down and then put it right there. Now what you want to do, you have your video right here, and obviously if you have maybe an intro, you want to add your intro, which this is my intro here. What you want to do, this is a key tip, sometimes when you move it into this space, it deletes the entire video. So what you want to do is move this out a bit, and then click on open file again, and then click on the intro or something, and then you overwrite it like that. Now you move it, and there you go, and then you can join it together. And that's how you do it. So that's what I normally do for the first bit. Like if the bottom is too small, click on the dots here, and then you can drag it up to make this bigger. So now it's bigger. So to add the green screen effects, what you want to do is click on the three lines here, and you want to click add a video track, so you added a second one. Now what you want to do is click open file. Fat guy with the thumbs up maybe, or just choose whatever. It's a green screen. Drag it where you want it, and then put it on the second video capture here. Now you're probably wondering why. Here, click on video, click on chroma key simple, and now you can change the transparency difference. You can make it invisible. That's how you want it. Now what you do is you test your video, so the intro works perfectly there. Add that. To add a video effect, click on the video scene, and then click on the plus, and then click on whatever you want. You can click distort, maybe that might work. So let's see so you can make the velocity like a lot different. Like do that. Let's try this. So let's see if this works. So you want to test it obviously, and it's shaking. Wow. Maybe you don't want to do that, but that's how you do that. There's different. You can obviously make it like less, more than one. You can add maybe a glitch video effect. Make the intensity huge, so it goes like this. A really different tone. Absolutely insane. I don't know why you would do that, but that's how you can do that. You can obviously make your video longer. This is disgusting. Probably right here. So you just add it here. You don't really need to worry about the transparency because I can't really be bothered. But obviously you want to test it from the beginning right here, and do that. And to save it, you just click save. And then you can name it whatever you want, and it says saved. Now what you want to do when you've edited your video for YouTube, what you want to do is you want to click file, this small file button up here, and then click export video, and then this looks confusing. All you need to pick though is click YouTube and then click export file, and then it will save and export. So let's do it. Export file. Let's just name it that. This is a test, and it's exporting. The longer your video is, the longer it will take. So it's exporting it. You can click split as playhead where you want it, and now you got a scene, so you can split whatever you want on your video while you're editing. So let's wait for this to finish. It's got about
1 hour later.
You can click on this and go onto your files, and it's literally right there. So click on it, and this is your video here. Watching this tutorial video, make sure to smash and leave a like on this video if you enjoyed, or if this really helped you to edit really cool videos like I do now. And yeah, just like and subscribe. That's all. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.